I'm Paul, and I'm the founder of Alfies coffee company. I based in Cyfnithin, which is in Croissants in Carmarthenshire. So I roast the coffee, which is Alfies coffee company. We are an award-winning coffee company, so we won a gold star at the Great Taste Awards. We've got a couple of different beans, a couple of different blends, and then the coffee that we serve in Aratom, in Cafe Aratom, is obviously ours. So I started Alfies Coffee Bus in 2019 in October. So that was a mobile coffee van that travelled around to businesses in Carmarthenshire, Llanelli and Swansea, serving our coffee and brownies. And then because of the pandemic, that had to stop because of the lockdowns and things, and all the businesses closed. So we founded the coffee company. So I heard about Cywain through Rhan from Calon Cakes, and then she put me in touch with Cywain because she said it'd be a big help. And to be fair to her, it has in terms of putting me in touch with people, all the opportunities that you provide. Like one of the ones that I'm looking forward to, hopefully we can go to this year, is the Food and Deli show in Birmingham. Obviously there's the show in the Royal Welsh that you have the space for, which is an amazing opportunity. I've had a mentor, as in like a one-to-one mentor, to help me with growing the business, helping with my marketing. And like I said, I've had support through my website, creating like the e-commerce platform when that was first starting. I've had help with packaging. I've also had help with like selling online, all that kind of stuff. I've also had the opportunity to talk to a wholesaler, Oedd. I need to look at salsa. So that's an accreditation that I'll need to talk to wholesalers. Obviously that's something that Cywain can help me with. Anything that you need to know, Cywain will help you. It's brilliant. I can't rate them highly enough. So the food and drink industry in Wales, it's been very warm, very welcoming. It's just a friendly environment, especially with Cywain. It feels to me that Cywain is like the central hub between everyone. Obviously, we're based in Aratom, which is owned by the university, so it's very like Welsh heavy. So everything has to be bilingual. So I'm learning Welsh, and dwi'n dysgu Cymraeg. I try as much as I can to use the language where I can on social media posts, and as well as if I do like videos, I try as much as I can to talk Welsh first, even if it's just like a bore da. COVID-19 actually, in a weird way, has been quite positive for my business. So I mean, I was roasting coffee just for the use on the van, with the aim of eventually making Alfies Coffee Company a thing. But then because of the pandemic, I had to adapt quite quickly into how to take my business from being a mobile coffee van into essentially an e-commerce business. And Cywain did help with that, being able to be in touch with specific mentors who could help me put that into the people that needed to see it, or do all the coding and all the wonderful things that they need to do to make it what it is today. Yeah, so the business is doing really well. I'm really proud of where we are. So yeah, I mean, we've got the roastery, we've got the cafe, which is amazing. We've got a new coffee coming out very soon, which is a high caffeine coffee, which is good for anyone who goes to the gym, or anyone who's really into thrill seeking and needs that natural caffeine boost. So yeah, Cywain has helped me with this new coffee. They've put me in touch with the food centre in Horeb, and subsequently put me in touch with Aberystwyth University, and we're going to work together to essentially work out how much caffeine is in the coffee and how it can improve your sports or your gym going. So yeah, I'm looking forward to doing that. In terms of the future, I see Alfies Coffee being like a national brand. That's where I want to push it to. I want it to be, rather than going for Starbucks, you go for an Alfies. That's the thing. And obviously through Cywain, I've been able to be in touch with loads of different people that I wouldn't have had a chance of being in touch with before. Different wholesalers and delis and specialty shops and all these kind of wonderful places that are around the country. Without a doubt, if you're in a food and drink business and you want to go places, then get in touch with Cywain. Either reach out to them on social media or visit cywain.cymru, and you won't look back.